everybody, and welcome to my channel Artificial Intelligence and Mathematics. Have you ever come across the crazy questions like why you should use Python, for which purpose should we use Python, and why shouldn't we use any other languages instead of Python? If you came across these questions, you are in the right place. Before we move forward, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Junaid, and I am an AI engineer having mathematical expertise. So if you are new to my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Python. So what actually the word Python mean? Is it a kind of, snake that's gonna bite you right in your face? No, I'm just kidding, right? So what actually Python means? Python is a high-level, easy-to-read programming language which is used widely all across the world, and it is known for its simple syntax and its versatility. This is the two most important features of the Python language that you should know about. Let's talk about its history. So it was invented by Guy van Rossum, which was a Dutch scientist. So here is our first question. Why should we use Python? First thing is its syntax. I like it. I like its syntax. So its syntax is very simple, And the second one is its versatility. Versatile. The most important thing is I have told you about the libraries of this, and Python, it has a vast community, and after lapse of time there will come a library, and people are sitting over there to just release new and new libraries for you. Now our second question is, what's the purpose of this language? For which purpose we can use it? You can use it in the field of data science. It's very obvious, And you can also see that there are many libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. You can also use it for artificial intelligence and having many libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. You can also use it for scripting, web scraping. Have you heard about that? Web scraping, when you want to just scrap everything from a website, so you enter the URL and you grasp or scrap everything from that website. So this is called the scraping, and I like the beautiful soup over here. And another one is the image processing. So there are also many libraries like the OpenCV and the PIL. PIL is meant for PIL. And then NLP. And the NLTK is a very important library in the NLP subject. And you can also have the Python for web development. So this one all about its purposes. Now let's compare it with other languages. And so this will answer our next question, and that is, why should we use Python instead of other languages? So we have many great languages like the C++, the C#, the Django, the R, Julia, Java, Dart, which is used for gaming, etc. And the statistics, if I'm gonna show you every statistics, so you will see that Python is gonna be on the top level, and you know it very well. I have explained everything to you. You know it very well because Python is the most versatile, the most having a simple syntax and abundance of library. This was all about the Python. I hope you guys enjoyed very well, and I can make you interested in this language, but I cannot make you obsessed with anything. People say that obsession is gonna be down.